Hi guys, we are changing the structure and the theme of alci.online, the website that hosts the project of ArcoLinux Calamares installer. And we've made videos quite recently now for ArchCraft. So this, what you see here, is the ATT. If you type in ATT on ArcoLinux, you get the ArcoLinux tweak tool. And basically that tells you what knowledge you can take with you from the ArcoLinux YouTube and articles and websites to anything Arch, right? I don't think in boxes. I teach Linux and we just happen to be an ArcoLinux. Great wiki, right? I'd like to install, well no, I like to build ALCI on one of those other guys, and the one that I'd like to do is ArchBang. And what do you know? He has a new ISO, so that's fun for me. A new ISO. We've been communicating and asking questions and trying to improve ArchBang with some of the tips, right? It is ultimately up to the developer to hear what I say or do what I say. It's up to him. One of the things that is strange, and I've told him that, but I see it's still the same. Yeah, once you know, right? This is 25 February. It's not 2025, it's not 2021 February or something. No, it's the day and the month. And then you know, right? It was a little bit strange seeing these numbers in the beginning, but now I know. So it's installed, and we're going to install ArchBang, Super F7. ArchBang, there we come. And the point of the video is not ArchBang, the point of the video is ALCI. And let's build something else. We've been building the Xenmods and the dev version. So let's now choose a disk file. Where is it downloaded? Downloads ArchBang. Start. And off we go. We're still on Arch, right? E, have a look. Cow space, 2 GB. Sure, but that's it. All right, choose. Now we are bleeding again, a red bleed. Pops up on other distros as well. It's in the Linux kernel somewhere. Let's see if Control F and Control F is going to help us. No, it's not. What am I on? ArchBang. This looks and feels like open box. And then we say, look, is it possible to make it bigger? Probably not quickly. But I need to install. So install is the button here, and then we don't get Calamares. We get a installer. I think it was a BIF if my memory serves, and then one partition scheme, one default. CF disk is the one I usually go for, I think, number 2. Enter option number 1. GPT, yes, the VirtualBox has been installed as a UEFI system, so GPT it is. That means I need to make a new one. 35 gig is a bit much. Let's keep it simple. 1 GB for type of EFI system up there, and the rest can be just all right. And now we have really to type yes. We really have to type the 3 letters and then quit. Then he asks me select the root partition, so that's number 2. That's the bigger one. And yes, I have to tell him with X4, where are you? Number 4. And SDA1, sure. And 1 is the boot EFI option. That's the one that we use on ArcoLinux. So I'm choosing that one. And yes, please. Format. And we are not going to do anything else, right? So skip, I guess. Let me see, select FOB file system. What did I do here then? Oh yeah, okay, so skip. Okay, voila. Press enter to continue, and then we go for number 2, install ArchBang. Wait. So stuff is going to be copy pasted over from A to B. Let's see if the timer is still, well, the percentage was going to 210 or something, so that's okay, it doesn't matter as long as we get it installed, right? The seconds are counting down. That's promising, and we're going up. Okay. Like I said, unimportant. 222, that was the number. Number 3, and then the host name, for example, ArchBang. That is a good idea, but I'm still in QWERTY, ArchBang, like that. Location number 4, Europe, is it, do I have to tell them? Select zone, yep. Europe is 20, Belgium, Brussels, 9, yes please, the hardware clock 5, local time 2, 6 is the locale, wow, in the 90 I think it was, ENUS 94, yes please. It's being compressed with XZ, no, so not ZST. It's a bit faster. Well, there, different compression. This takes a bit longer to build, so a little bit more patience. Okay, 7, desktop keyboard layout. Select key map number 10, Belgium, yes please. Bootloader 8, I'm gonna go for system D, 3, automatic, whatever, right, fix it. Oops, that's not gonna be good. There are problems there. Press enter to continue. Bootloader again, number 8. Let's go for grub then. Automatic. Ah, that's better. Enter to continue. Root password 9. You know my password. I know you know. Voila. Create user. I'm Eric. Typing the password, and enter. And I guess we're done. All right. Reboot system. We've got grub. Yay, we can boot. And we have nothing. Sure we have. Is there just no SDM or LightDM to catch us, to guide us into our system? So there we go, we are where we need to be. Maybe I can make the screen a little bit bigger, that's more fun for everybody. Super T, yeah, present sudo pacman -syyU, let's do that. Only 2 of them, a conky, and errors occurred, keyring is not writable. What did I do again to fix this? There was an issue with it. Let me check. There were problems with it and there was an easy fix. I see in one of the videos I've added the fix key script that we have to the list, so let's do that manually now. Always interesting to see the commands again. Make it a bit bigger. So we don't really know what's going on, so let's do a complete clean slate thing, right? So first of all, you need to be sudo in this case, remove anything that's in the lib, pacman, sync. Is there anything there? Nothing there. So that was not needed. Sudo remove etc pacman.d. No bash completion. Sudo pacman -s bash completion. Does not exist. Let's try again if it's possible at all. Yep, that's possible. Okay, there is a key, etc. Yes, we know. So exit or just stop, exit and log out is good. Then we're here, because otherwise the bash completion will not be used. Super T and then sudo pacman minus what was I doing? Trying to remove something. Sudo remove -rf etc pacman.d. Is there something in there? The GNU-PG. So GNU-PG, you need to go. Bye. GNU-PG out. Then we're gonna go for a sudo, probably a sudo pacman key init. Those were the files where everything resides. Those are the two folders. We need to get, well, start with a clean slate. That's one thing. That's cool. And then we populate. So these are pure Arch things. And then basically we update. And then we hope to have databases. So sudo pacman -syyu, because I wanted to install a render. It was too small, the screen size here. So a render, and we can go for outputs, virtual resolution 1900, 1920, 1080, go, and it's better for recording, right? Voila. The wallpaper is broken, but it doesn't matter. I don't know if there is anything. It's still very minimal. As you see, there's not much here, so setting your wallpaper is not a problem. Install variety, solved. I am here to build ALCI. Remember? So do we have the internet? There is something on the internet here. So ALCI, which one will I choose? I have not decided yet. ALCI.online is a website where you learn how to build your own ISO. And in the blog, you have all kinds of things we discuss. We start with Article 1, creation of ALCI, and so on, and make it more and more complex to ButterFS and all kinds of things. So either it's download, which is cool, click, 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 or maybe you want to build rather than download. And now comes my decision. I just made a video today with this one. I've made a decision with a video today with that one. So now I'm gonna go for Zen. Zen was, let's have a look. Zen was cinnamon. We've done recently one with cinnamon, so I'll take Mate LTS. It is. So let's see if that works on ArchBang. Control C, that's the goal. We have a menu. Let's see how we get to applications, not with key bindings anyway. Would like to have Thunar. I'm so used to Thunar. So super T, sudo pacman -s Thunar. Reinstalling. Cool. Fine. Then we just launch Thunar like this. Here are the AB scripts. Don't need them. And the backgrounds, you don't need them. I think. Desktop guide. I don't need them. Read the guide. Ctrl-Shift-V, git clone, git is non-installed. I thought about it. Sudo pacman -s. It's minimal. Hence, you gotta do everything yourself. So Thunar is available, so that means, voila, file manager, desktop, Ctrl+Shift+V, boom, I got it. Nope, not yet. Right mouse click, open terminal here. No, that's too soon, Eric. First this installation script and then run it. That's all you need to remember. And then you realize, or you look at the mistakes. What is he communicating? He is telling us a lot of stuff. He's telling us that you need to install the correct version of ArchISO. ArchISO has not been installed. Okay. Strange. It should do that automatically. So let's see if it's available with these pacman -s ArchISO. So why is he stopping? That's strange. So do we have anything to open? Not that and not that. Leafpad maybe. He should be opening it here. So we end up here. Ah yeah. There is yay and yay is not there. So yeah, if there is no yay, we can't do anything, right? Control C. So yay, Tryson, none of them are present. So basically, if you want to run the script, you need to have yay. And I think I did something in that regard. Keys and mirrors, build and install yay. Build. Come on. Ah, two, sorry. Two, and then build and install yay. Ah, yeah. Yay is being built. Yes, please. Buy, and then you build again, you run again. This one, 40. And then it's downloading all things, 753 packages. So in my brain, I'm already doing something new. Here it's checking for a package. I should check for yay as well, but then it's yay and there's yay bin and there's yay git. And then if not present, maybe run. Could be an enhancement to the script. There's several more, and there's yay, there is Tryson. Maybe I can change it to Paru, because lots of people have Paru. Scripting is fun, but can be complex. But the test is going good. The test is, can we do this, right? Can we change this? In the meantime, let's have some fun. Super T. Give me variety. This is not nice to look at. I'm afraid we need our scripts to set it here. These are all nice wallpapers. Could have become beautiful. Could have, would have, should have. Control H. Variety is fetching me lots of stuff, and it's gonna be in here. Come on. Variety, download it. Wallhaven abstract. Select. OK. And click. Apply. That's working. Automatic, scaled, tooled, zoomed. Zoomed fill. Might be the best option. Close. Super 2. No. She will do. Allez, kill. So yes, every system you run, you need to figure out a little bit how does it work, what is already available, what's not available, and then fill in the blanks. Say, okay, let's get yay and stuff like that. So there's no need to continue the video. It's has been fun, and we can add it to the list. We can indeed build ALCI to ArchBang. This is your ArchBang, quite minimal, lots of things still to do. And that's the fun. Build up. Basically, it's a Lego board, red surface, right? And some of the pieces are already there. But hey, you have to build it up with any packages from anywhere, basically. Choose, right? Choose. Yes, I want to really replace it. It's looking like this now. And change anything you like and see. Okay. Have fun with ArchBang, have fun with ALCI. That's a good test. So it's working just fine.